I'm Bill with DTE Energy. During outages, we consistently hear from some of our customers who say, hey, I see DTE trucks sitting, eating, having coffee, but my power's still out. Why aren't they working? It's a natural question to ask. The answer is, they are. On the job, in fact, during any outage restoration, we have hundreds, sometimes thousands of crews in the field, many of them working up to 16-hour shifts. But that work is hard, and it can be dangerous too. For them to remain sharp and safe, they need these built-in breaks, and that includes time to maybe grab some fast food on the go, or just refuel their bodies, or maybe just time enough for some quick coffee, a bathroom break, and a short breather before getting right back at it. They could even be awaiting confirmation that their work area has been safely de-energized, or awaiting further instructions for the job at hand. Remember the next time you see one of our team members taking a short break, that these emergency response crews are working around the clock, day and night, and even during some really bad weather, with one goal in mind: restoring your power, and most importantly, doing it safely. That's how DTE works for you. Be safe, and as always, thanks for watching.